Hi, I'm Alyssa from OnlineFabricStore. Today we'll be making a decorative Valentine's Day burlap pillow. Burlap can be used for a lot of different projects, but its loose weave makes it perfect for weaving the ribbon through. So let's get started.
The materials you'll need are a pillow form. I used a 14 by 14 inch pillow form, 1 yard of cotton broadcloth, 1 yard of red cotton canvas fabric, 1 yard of light natural burlap, 7/8 inch red grosgrain ribbon, a size 16 tapestry needle, pins, thread, a fabric marker, and a sewing machine. Cut 13 by 13 inch squares out of the broadcloth and canvas. Cut a 14 by 14 inch square out of the burlap. If you are using a different sized pillow form, modify your measurements so that the finished pillow dimensions will be 2 inches smaller than the pillow form. Use the provided template to mark a heart into the burlap. Make tick marks where you will be weaving the ribbon. The template provided has tick marks at every inch of ribbon that is showing to every ½ inch that is not. Thread the ribbon into the tapestry needle and use the tick marks as a guide for making your heart. Starting at the bottom of the heart, weave the ribbon through the burlap, leaving about 12 inches of ribbon at both ends. Wiggling the needle makes it easier to pull the ribbon through. Tie the ends off into a bow. Pin the broadcloth to the back of your burlap. Using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew around the edges of the entire square. Cut off any extra burlap if needed. Pin the canvas to the burlap with the right sides facing. I taped the ribbon to the center of the heart so I didn't accidentally sew it into the pillowcase. Starting at the bottom, sew around the edges, leaving an opening to insert your pillow form. Backstitch at the beginning and end. Flip the pillow cover right side out, making sure to push out all of the corners. Fold down the edges of the opening and iron down the seam. Stuff the pillow form inside. Using an invisible stitch, close the remaining edge of the pillow. See our video on how to sew an invisible stitch for details. And now, your pillow is done.
This pillow can be made with any color ribbon or canvas and can be modified for different shapes, for different holidays, or even made into monograms. Thank you for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you later.